morning, class. Today we'll do lesson 2, Accounts of Not-for-Profit Organization. In today's lesson, we will deal with income and expenditure account. Now let's see how it is prepared. Now all the expenses are recorded on the debit side and all the incomes are recorded on the credit side. Non-cash items like outstanding expenses, depreciation, accrued incomes are also recorded. Now in receipts and payments we did not record, but here we have to record it. There is no opening balances. It ends with surplus or deficit. If it is a profit, we call it surplus. If it is a loss, it is a deficit. We will not put in any opening balances as we did for the receipts and payments account. Now it contains only revenue, expenses and income. Capital items are not recorded here, such as land, furniture and so on will not be included in the income and expenditure account. Now it contains only the items relating to the current period. Now let me explain to you illustration 7 so it will be easy for you to follow. From the following receipts and payments account of Tiruchi Recreation Club, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Now the receipts and the payments they have given to us. The opening balance cash is 11,000, to dividend received 27,600, to sale of old newspaper 3,000, to members subscription 31,000, to locker rent 8,000, to interest on investment 1,250, sale of furniture 5,000, buy furniture purchase 10,000, buy rent 2,800, buy secretaries on honorarium 15,000, buy postage 1,700, buy general expenses 4,350, buy printing and stationery 45,000, buy audit fees 5,000, and then we have a closing cash balance 3,000. Now to sale of furniture they have given us 5,000 and they have mentioned over here book value of 4,400. So here what we are going to take is the difference. That means this is a sale amount and this was the cost. We minus 5,000 and 4,400. And whatever answer we get, we take it to the income side. Now let's see the solution for illustration 7. On top we write in the books of Tiruchi Recreation Club, income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018. This being a ledger account, we have a debit side as well as the credit side. We have the expenditure, we write all the expenses in the debit side and all our incomes are in the credit side. So let's look at the debit side first. To rent 2,800, to secretaries honorarium 15,000, to postage 1,700, to general expenses 4,350, to printing and stationery 45,000, to audit fees 5,000. And the income side, let's look at the income side. The dividend received is 27,600, by sale of old newspaper 3,000, by membership subscription 31,000, by locker rent 8,000. The interest on investment is an income to us, so 1,250. So profit on sale of furniture. So we are taking the profit on the sale. So that is 600. Now we add up. We add all this in the debit side, that is 2,800, 15,000, 1,700, 4,350, 45,000 and 5,000 and we get the total of 73,850. In the same way, we add up the credit side. Dividend 27,600, then the old newspaper 3,000, then 31,000, 8,000, 1,250 and 600. Whatever the answer we get, we subtract it from 73,850 and we get the answer 2,400, which is a loss or deficit. Now under income and account, we have subscription. So here we are going to learn treatment of subscription. Now this is the format. Income and expenditure account. Then we have the debit side and the credit side for the year ended. Now subscription is the income. Money received from subscription is the income. We put it in the income side. On top, we write by subscription. Then less outstanding subscription for the previous year. Then we less the subscription for the subsequent year or the next year subscription you have to minus. So it is actually advance. Then add outstanding subscription for the current year. You are adding this. Then you add received in advance during the previous year for the current year. Now what is outstanding subscription for the previous year? Now we should understand in the income and expenditure account, we just take only the current year's amount, not the previous year's or not the next year. So you should understand this timeline. Now this is the current year. This is your current year for accounting. Suppose you are accounting for this particular year. This will be your previous year and this is your next year. So outstanding of this year, you may receive it in this year. If you receive it in this year, you subtract. Then the advance amount of the next year or the subsequent year, you may receive it in this year. Then what should you do? Subtract it. Okay. Then sometimes the amount of this year, this particular year, is outstanding. Then what you have to do is add. Sometimes the amount which belongs to this year, you receive it in this year, received in advance. So what should you do? You should add. So this is what by subscription, this is a subscription of this current year. Then you less the outstanding subscription of the previous year, which does not belong to this current year. So you minus it out. Then the advance subscription of the next year, which is going to come, that year's amount you have already received. So you minus it. Now this particular year's subscription is outstanding. So what will you do? You add. And this year's subscription you have received last year. So what will you do? You add. And then you get the final subscription amount. Now the balance sheet for the subscription as follows. On top you write balance sheet as on liabilities amount, assets amount. Here outstanding subscription, you have a current year and the previous year should be noted down. And then in the liability side, subscription received in advance for the next year will be included. Let me explain to you illustration 9 so that you may follow. Now let's look at the question. How the following items will appear in the final accounts of the club for the year ended March 2019. Receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2019. In the receipt side, we have subscription, the money received from subscription for the 3 years, 2017 to 2018, 5,000, 2018 to 2019, 48,000, 2019 to 2020, 3,000. When we add the 3 years subscription, we get 56,000. Apart from that, they have given there are 300 members in the club, each paying an annual subscription of 200 per annum. Subscription still outstanding for the year 2017-18 is 1,000. So 2017-18, that is previous year's subscription. So this previous outstanding year's outstanding subscription, we will not take it in the income and expenditure. Previous year, that is 2017 and 2018, this 5,000 will not be included in the income and expenditure. 2019-2020, the next year, subsequent year will not be included. So which amount should we take? 2018-2019, this 48,000 is included. So let's see how the solution is. So solution for illustration 9. Income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019. We have the debit side and the credit side. Expenditure amount, income amount. Now in the income side, by subscription for the current year, that is 2018-2019 is 48,000. Then you add the outstanding subscription for the current year. Now here we have got 12,000. So from where did we get this 12,000? Let's see. It's given in the question there are 300 members and they are each paying 200 per annum. So 300 into 200 comes to 60,000. Now, but for the current year 2018 we have received only 48. So from the 60,000 we minus 48, 12,000 is remaining. They have to pay. They have not yet paid. So 12,000 is outstanding for the current year. So this has to be added in the income and expenditure account. So the 12,000 is added over here, outstanding subscription for the current year. And when we add the subscription and the outstanding, we get the 60,000 for the year. Now let's see the balance sheet as on 31st of March 2019. Liabilities, amount, assets, amount. So we write on top outstanding subscription. For the previous year, it is given as 1,000. So we enter it over here. For the current year, it is 12,000, which we found out. We add this 2 and we get 13,000. Then subscription received in advance for the next year, that is 2019-2020, is 3,000. So that's all for today. Thank you, class.